Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into a topic that can sometimes seem like a daunting task: getting a Schengen visa. Whether you're planning a European adventure or exploring multiple Schengen countries, this comprehensive guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. So, let's get started. First things first, what is a Schengen visa? Well, it's a visa that allows you to travel freely within the Schengen area, which comprises 27 European countries. This means no border controls between these countries, making your travel experience seamless. Not everyone needs a Schengen visa. If you're from a country outside the Schengen area, you likely need one. There are exceptions, so be sure to check the official website of the embassy or consulate of the country you plan to visit. Now, let's talk about planning your trip. It's crucial to have a detailed itinerary, including your accommodation reservations, transportation details, and a clear outline of your activities. This helps demonstrate the purpose of your visit and ensures a smooth visa application process. Next, the application process. You'll need to visit the official website of the embassy or consulate of the country you plan to visit. Download the application form, fill it out accurately, and gather all required documents, such as proof of accommodation, travel insurance, proof of financial means, and a valid passport. In some cases, a visa interview may be required. Be prepared to answer questions about your travel plans, purpose of visit, and financial stability. After submitting your application, there's a waiting period. It can vary, but typically it takes a few weeks. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to obtaining a Schengen visa. Remember, thorough preparation is key. Safe travels, adventurers, and may your journey through the enchanting landscapes of the Schengen area be filled with unforgettable moments. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, happy exploring!